Hey there everybody, and welcome to another midweek snack. We have our bowl of various snacks, waffles, butters, bars, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and plunge in and see what we got. Alright. Justin's Hazelnut and Almond Butter. Chocolate Hazelnut and Almond Butter. I haven't tried this brand. I've had a couple of, just random brands, but this one sort of came up at the Myers, and I figured it might be an interesting thing to try. Oh goodness, I didn't rip that good at all. Not at all. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's try it out. I should not have put that much in my mouth at one time. Very dry. That's what you get. Okay, so I don't think we didn't really show any of our nutritional facts. 200 calories. This is very good. Let's see, what's the sugar content on this beast? 8 grams. It's not overly sweet. I'm trying to think of what the cocoa reminds me of. You definitely get that hit of cocoa, but it's not like, it's not overwhelming. Yeah, I mean, it's just nice roasted almonds, and I guess you really do get that hit of hazelnut there too. I think that's what I'm tasting in the back end. To be honest, I think the hazelnut really overwhelms the chocolate quite a bit. But it's good. That's very good. Very simple product. Hazelnuts, almonds, chocolate, cocoa. It's very good. So if you guys want a little bit of a snack booster, these are pretty great ideas. There's a ton of different brands. Obviously I have a couple of different brands in my bowl here. But yeah, Justin's chocolate hazelnut almond butter is pretty darn good. So anyway, folks, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like and comment as always, and subscribe and hit the bell, because YouTube doesn't give you notifications if you don't hit the bell. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you on another midweek snack. See ya.